The first thing you're going to want to do is we've just opened up the Lyft app like I've done so here. You can basically click on the where are you going option right here, and you can type in any destination that you normally would go to. Once you type this in, it'll show you the route as well as the fares right here. And if we actually just swipe up on this page like so, depending on the location that you live, you may or may not have access to seeing an option with a car seat. Now, currently car seat options, it'll just show up on this page like so, but it's only available in New York and LA at the current moment. In Austin, Texas is in testing, I think. But basically it'll cost you $10 extra and just show up on this page. Unfortunately, there's no car seat option. So what you can actually do is you can bring your own car seat or multiple if you have multiple kids. And if you can't afford a car seat, you can get one from a thrift store. They're really cheap, but I really still hope this provides some value for you. And what you can do is you just bring a car seat. That's honestly your best bet if you don't live in a city that provides car seats in these cars. If you found this helpful, please consider leaving a like on it down below and subscribe to the channel if you're new.